Hey designers, let's quickly create this poster in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, for the background, we need to have a rectangle that covers the whole canvas like this and color it with the background color you want. After that, let's go to Object and lock this layer so that it doesn't bother us later on. Now, with the help of the rectangle tool, we are going to make bars like this. I'll provide the bluish color code. Okay, now make duplicates of it. We will create 5 of these bars. Now select them and go to the Align panel, align them vertically and horizontally, and then distribute them equally like this. Okay, after this is done, I am going to reduce the height of these bars a little bit, and then I am going to select the Direct Selection tool and make them a bit bigger one by one. For instance, the second bar will be a bit bigger than the third bar, and the third bar would be bigger than the second bar, like this. Then with the help of the Direct Selection tool, select the top 2 anchor points of the fourth bar and move them upwards. Do the same for the fifth bar, making it taller than all the bars. First, let's reduce the height of the first bar. And then reduce the height of the second bar a bit. Okay, I think this looks good. Now take the pen tool and start drawing a line like this. It should give the illusion that there is a spring on top of it. Just draw a line like this. Once the shape is done, remove the fill and give it a stroke. Now, increase the stroke weight. I want to get rid of these weird peaked lines that are coming out of the stroke. So go to the stroke properties and click on the round cap and then round corners to get rid of it. After that, with the help of the Direct Selection tool, I'm going to adjust the lines a bit to make them look springy. Now, take the ellipse tool and draw a circle here. Give it a fill and remove the stroke. Place it here. Now again, take the pen tool and draw a curved line here like this. Give it a stroke, remove the fill. Increase the stroke weight a bit, and make it rounded. Let's decrease the stroke weight a bit. Now take the width tool and make the top corner thicker. Adjust the stroke weight first. Then make a duplicate of this and scale it down. Now, let's see where both of these things should be placed. I think this is better now. Now, make the stroke width of these lines a bit smaller. After that, take the Type tool and right here, we get. Let's make this font bigger, highlight this text, and let's see what font suits here. I want a bold font, so I am going to select Impact. Then again click here with the help of the Type tool and right here, you noticed. Select this and with the help of the eyedropper tool, click on, we get, so that both of these get the same font and size. Now adjust the scale of the font and their position. Let's scale them down. Let's make the size of it 90. Also, make the size of we get 90. Yes, it's looking good now. Now make the text color white and make the lines that are showing motion white as well. Then give a drop shadow to this text. For that, you have to go to Effect, Stylize, and Drop Shadow. Now take the Rectangle tool and make a rectangle here. Let's move these bars and the balls and all of these things a bit upwards. Select all of them. Deselect, we get, you notice. We don't want them to move upwards. Let's move them upwards with the help of the keyboard's upward arrow keys and make the rectangle move downwards to the bottom. Now take the Text tool and right here, watch your growth soar to new heights. Scale this text down. After that, let's adjust its alignment. Select this text and give it the bluish shade, and your poster is complete. To make the canvas fit the screen, press Ctrl+O. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do comment, like, and support me by subscribing to my channel.